Welcome back to another video. Today I am making Jamaican corned beef and rice. I have my rice going over there. It was bubbling. I have 2.5 cups of rice in that pot, and over here I'm getting ready to start the corned beef. Okay, so right here I have half of an onion, some red bell peppers, orange and yellow bell peppers. So I just chopped those up and I'm getting ready to fry them up. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil to the pot, not too much. Let that cook a little. This is the corned beef I'm using, the Brookdale brand. This is an Aldi brand. Okay, so to this, my seasoning, I added some black pepper, some herbal Mrs. Dash. I'm doing a little bit of garlic powder, some onion powder. A little bit too much here, but it's okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the corned beef. And corned beef is dry, so you are going to need some water. And I'm gonna stir it in, and I'll be back. Oh, before I stir it, I also like to put a little bit of ketchup in there. Don't knock it till you try it. It's actually good. Okay, so I stirred it in and stir it up. And there it is. So now I'm just gonna cook it on low because the corned beef is already cooked, so I don't want to cook it out, like mash it up. So I'm just gonna heat it up. And here's my rice. It's cooking nice. Okay, here's the rice again. Nice and shelly. I'm just gonna stir it up, put the lid back on, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I just steamed a bag of mixed broccoli, some other veggies, steamed it in the microwave for 6 minutes. This is what we're having on the side. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of the Mrs. Dash garlic and herb to the broccoli mix. Not a lot, just a little. And I'm gonna stir it up. Mrs. Dash is also salt free, which is good. So gives you some flavor without the added salt. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. Here you have it. This is what you can eat it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. In a Jamaican household, you can definitely eat this for breakfast, okay? But lunch or dinner for everyone else.